Dang, guys, take a look at this.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're gonna go ahead and get this AMG GT pulled out of the paint booth, bringing it back in here. It's been kind of rainy for the past couple of days, and we've just let it sit in there. That way it can fully cure, guys. What we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and clean up the shop first before we do any of that. It is a mess in here, and that's what happens when you're doing body work or working on a project. So it's always better to start with a clean slate. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this shop and then pull the AMG in here. Guys, take a look at this. The shop floors are perfect. It is all cleaned up. It just feels so nice to finally have a clean shop again. And it just makes building cars, working on cars 10 times faster and more productive. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the car, and we're gonna start with the reassembly. Take a look at this, guys. This paint job just turned out really good. I mean, I couldn't hope for anything better than this. This match is dead on. I mean, it's very crucial when you're painting pearl white, being a tri-coat paint. For those that don't know what a tri-coat is, you have your base color, which is like the white, and then you have your pearlescent that goes on top, and then your clear coat. And if you don't put the right amount of pearl down on the panel, you're gonna have it look kind of off, because every layer of pearl that you do, it makes it darker. And if you put too less, it'll look too light and nothing will match. But I am just so happy with how this turned out, guys. The bumpers over here on the stand waiting to get reassembled as well. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the side mirrors. That side's on, obviously. The passenger side mirror I'm gonna go ahead and install. And I'm gonna go ahead and install the vent on the fender, get the door panel, the handles all back together, and then go ahead and work on the front end. you have it, guys. Take a look at the finished product. We got the bumper on there, the headlights on there, all your grills and everything else. Parking sensors all connected. The ambient temperature sensor back together. All the gaps are set. Everything came out perfect. I can't be any more happier with this car than I already am right now. We've got the front splitter underneath the front bumper that's going to go on there. It's all carbon. We got side skirts that are coming in, all carbon fiber. Got the GTR spoiler, that's all carbon coming in, rear diffuser. Unfortunately, it's a 45 to 60 day window from coming in from overseas, but that's fine. We have so much other stuff to do with this car, so we're gonna go ahead and get everything else as far as like the little stuff on this thing sorted. I still got to take off that fender paint protection film on the driver's side. And then we still have a little bit of a touch-up paint that we got to do on that bottom rocker over here. We'll do the same thing on the other side as well and just use some Sims Black trim paint. Get that all figured out. Got to put, obviously the lug bolts back in there. Got that on the way as well. We're missing a fender liner on this side and also the passenger side. And they come in a two-piece section. So we've got one over here. And we're going to go ahead and order those in. So as soon as we get everything in, we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm not too sure if we're going to do that on camera or off camera because they're just so small little parts. Who knows? We might throw that in there on the next episode. But man, I am so happy with how this thing turned out. Alrighty guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. I really hope you guys are enjoying this content as much as I am, guys. With this whole build going on with the AMG GT, it's almost coming to an end. We still got all these carbon fiber goodies that we're waiting on as well, guys. But if you guys like what you guys saw, if you guys have any tips or suggestions, go ahead and drop them down in the comments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and until then, we'll see you on the next one. See you later.